Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Solana video update for Wednesday 24th of August. Now Solana is still sideways. The $25 price prediction that I made for you previously is still in play. Okay, it's only a matter of time. You're going to see Solana coming down to $25 now. However, there is only one way to invalidate the bear pattern, and that is to break the flag itself. So if you do actually break the flag, pass through it, go to $40, then there could be chances that you're gonna actually stay up, and you could actually come back to $46 to retest this bigger bear flag. Now it doesn't really mean that if you do go back up to this 45.6, that only means you're retesting, because on a weekly time frame, let me show you the weekly. Okay, here's how the weekly really looks like. And on a weekly standpoint, if you ever go back up, then you will actually go back up to retest the flag at $46. And if you can even get rejected again, and this play could still be in progress, you will still have that price level, a price target to come down to $8.77 in play. Nonetheless, even if you break this mini daily bear flag right now that we have there's a small bear flag on a daily that is this one, and there's a bigger bear flag on a weekly that is that one. Just because you're going to break the daily bear flag doesn't mean that you're breaking out of a weekly bear flag. And for breaking the weekly bear flag, you have to go above $50 and break the $50 and $55, and then we don't have any trouble with anything, right? But right now is a double trouble: a daily time frame bear flag and a weekly time frame bear flag. The daily time frame bear flag takes you $25.9. It is an amazing shorting opportunity if you do ask me. So that's like a 26% move to the downside. And then you have the weekly that actually is a big ass whooping 75% move to the downside. And that's it for this quick update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.